Here we have the Sweet Sound Mojo Vibe, a customer favorite in the Uni-Vibe class. First, we'll go over the knob layout. We have the volume output level control. The intensity of the chorus or vibrato is controlled with this pot right here. And this is the speed of the chorus or vibrato. Notice the big knob on it, which could be controlled with your feet if you wanted to. First, Bob Thompson's going to play clean for us. Then he's going to play clean with the effect in. And then we're going to turn the overdrive on in the amp so you can hear the Hendrix type sound with it. Bob's Sweet Sound Mojo Vibe on musictoys.com.